Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Lexus IS300. This one is gray. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 255 horsepower and 236 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-stroke alloy wheels. A black and red leather interior. Sunroof. All-wheel drive IS300 badging. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of all-season floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. Blind spot assist. Power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push-start ignition. Media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, or different driving functions. This Lexus has 71,835 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus IS300, visit us at feldmanimports.com.